What's up, YouTube family? It's your boy Russell Mack, the OG. This is Solomon's Vineyard, and today is package day. And guess what? I finally got it. It's the must-have. It's been talked about all over. It's discontinued, so that means it's hard to find. But I finally got my hands on it. Thanks to my brother JP. He directed me to an app, not app, y'all, an online discounter that had it. And I got it. I placed the order and it was here in 3 days. Really 2 days. And here it is. Cologne. Mercedes Benz Cologne Edition. Now, it's been said to smell like Dior Homme Cologne. Alright, we'll talk about it. If you're new, why don't you subscribe? Hit that bell icon for your boy. Like the video, share, comment, and your sin of the day. You can find me on Facebook, Russell Mack. Let's get into this beautiful fragrance, y'all. I'm already almost through. Let's open it. You see the box presentation. There's the Mercedes Benz logo. All right, the box is like turquoise and silver. Okay, I don't really care about the box, but here is that beautiful bottle. This is a really heavy bottle, you guys. Wow, I paid. About that top fit tight, doesn't it? This is the logo, the Mercedes Benz logo. As you see, the top is silver with white outlines. There's the Mercedes Benz logo at the very top of it. And this cap is heavy, y'all. Look at that. Isn't that awesome? Here is the bottle. It's got the turquoise, or should I say blue, that fades out into a lighter blue at the bottom, or clear with the juice. This is the atomizer. Love that atomizer. Oh my God. This stuff is outstanding. I think it smells better than Dior Cologne. Listen, at the notes, you got grapefruit with a bunch of citrus with pink pepper. In the heart, you got more citrus with ginger. In the base, you got musk with white woods. My goodness. I am so glad I got it. I tried to catch it at fragrancebuy.ca, but they had to went through those. They were sold out in less than about, 10 minutes? They were gone. But I found it. JP, thank you, my brother. He told me where to go look. I found it for about, I think I paid $47 then I got another discount. I paid for, I think, this 2-day shipping. I went on, paid the $10 to get it in two to 3 days, and I got it. They walked it all the way to my door, and I'm so glad I did. And listen, what do you get? A beautiful, beautiful citrusy spring fragrance with some musk, with ginger. It's blended well. Listen, this stuff is blended so well to say that it's really affordable. It really smells that of niche quality. This is perfect for the springtime, perfect for the summertime, y'all know. But here's the drawback. With a bunch of citruses and grapefruit, you already know what's going to happen. It evaporates quick. But here's the plus. You got ginger, you got musk, and there's another note I'm forgetting. Talia, you know what it is?
Ginger.
Ginger, what else?
No, it's vetiver, white woods, and musk.
There it is. So you got vetiver, you got white woods, and you got musk and ginger. So guess what? It's still beautiful. Once those fruity nuances dry up and evaporate, oh God, you're still smelling good. And listen, elegant fragrance, really, really nice, compliment getting fragrance. Then it's a rare fragrance, so it's not like something you can just go put your hands on. So if you got a bottle, guard it. I'm already in the process of ordering another bottle. You got the Mercedes Benz. I just realized from feeling it, you got Mercedes Benz logo here at the bottom. Y'all, this is impressive. And I'm so glad I got it, y'all. Listen, I'm finished. Just want to jump on, let you guys know I got that Mercedes Benz Cologne Edition. If you haven't tried it, you need to get your hands on it. In fact, I may even put this in one of the giveaways. Once I hit that 500 subscribers, I may put this bottle in the giveaway. I'm already working on ordering another 1 or 2 bottles right now. So, Thank you guys again for joining me for another fragrance preview. I'm out of here, family. I'll see you for another fragrance preview on another time or tomorrow. I love you. Take care. Peace, y'all.